It's Valentine's Day.
Lamarr, where's the unboxings? You ain't done nothing since Dragon Ball Z.
And so fine, I got Darksiders Genesis, the Nephilim edition, PS4. So Xbox fanboy no more, right? Not so like Xbox, but the PS4 is cool. This game is out today on Xbox One, PS4, and the Switch. But ladies and gentlemen, I've been playing it since December because it was on PC, but I don't play on PC that much. You know what I was playing on? Stadia! That's right. Hold on. Okay. Stadia, people do play it. I'm telling you, people play it. I play it. And I do. Okay, anyway. So, here's what we're going to do. Before we talk about or open the box, I'm going to give you some dramatic readings of what the contents of this is and what is Darksiders Genesis. Blast angels and demons as the gunslinging horseman Strife, playable for the first time. Swipe between the powerful swordsman War and Strife instantly in the frenetic single-player gameplay. Explore the epic world of Darksiders.
Dude, seriously?
I'm trying to practice my voiceover. Can you let me finish?
That's so extreme, like.
Let me finish my thing. Explore the epic world of Darksiders and wreak havoc with a frenetic two-player cooperative mode. Experience a brand new story campaign that takes place before the original Darksiders. Explore the origin of the Seven Seals. This is the first top-down action game in the series. You can grow in strength and power as you collect items, abilities.
How many do you have?
Weapon enhancement, creature cores, and more! Should we just unbox it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, we have the Darksiders, the Forbidden Land. This is the campaign book. And I don't know what that means. I guess it tells you about the campaign, which would be useful for me because I haven't played Darksiders before December when I was playing it. So I'm kind of understanding what's going on, but I had to read Wikipedia to figure out the other games. So this would actually be kind of useful for me to figure out kind of the story of Darksiders. A box inside of a box, of course. So I know you're like, why did you tear it up? Because I don't know what's in here, see? If I had torn up, all that would have fell. Wow, this is a lot of stuff for a collector's edition. Okay, so here we have this great phone. This is called the Darksiders Elite. Wait, oh, this is just phone. So this is the game for PS4. All right, very cool. I think there's a steelbook in here or somewhere. Let's see. Everything's falling. Oh my God, I dropped the disc. This is the original soundtrack music from the game. Very cool. Yeah, that. Everything is falling. Who am I, Alicia Keys? Get it? Because I said it's falling. Does anybody not know that? Okay. All right. So we have some stickers here. Very good. Darksiders Genesis art book. Ooh. Very cool. I'm not. See, y'all don't know what you're seeing right now. So if it's some naked people, I'm sorry. I can't see. Is it naked people? Oh, okay, good. All right. Ooh, here's the steelbook. Okay. I don't know. I don't like them as much as Andre, Black Nerd Comedy does. He loves his steelbooks, but I like them. And so he put the game in here. I'll figure that out later. Oh, this is Strife, the Strife figurine. Okay, we gotta unbox this. I actually like playing with him more than I do. War is definitely more like a tank, but Strife is like, it's chill. He's a little bit more agile and okay, last time I did this, didn't I break something?
Yeah, you broke Goku.
Okay, we didn't have to say what it was, but okay. No, it was already broken. Anyway, oh, this is nice. Okay, all right, so we got some 360 action happening here. Woo! Hey, Strife. What you doing later? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just saying. No, he's not. Well, maybe he should take off the mask first before I say that. Okay, anyway. No, this looks dope. Now, what is this? What is this here? Darksiders the Forbidden Land, much like my apartment for the date. What is this? It's like a board game. Okay. Oh. Okay, we ain't setting all this up right now. But, okay, yeah, this is one of those, I took a piece out already. This is one of those, fantasy type board games. As you can see there. So you see, Darksiders the Forbidden Land. Here's the rule. This is the rule book? How many rules? Remember back in my day when it was just Monopoly? The only rule was you put money under free parking. And if you didn't play like that, you're wrong. There's too many rules. And they got an FAQ. Oh, no. Nope. They got, what, 13 die? Okay, it's not that many. This looks like a lot of work. Look at all these cards. Oh, my. Okay, wait. You got to see this. Hold on. Now look at all these men's Menses. All these monsters and stuff. Okay, see, this is why you should just play the video. There's more underneath. Look at all those. Oh my God. Okay. I mean, I'm kind of feeling it, but are we gonna play one day?
That game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, are you lying? Okay, let's take a look. Let's, no. Excuse me. It's Valentine's Day. So we did the game, right? Strife, the soundtrack, the art book, the steel book, the stickers, and the board game. Very cool. You may be wondering, how much is this? I don't know. That's why I'm gonna put a link below for you to check it out. So thanks to THQ Nordic for sending this out. I am a newcomer to Darksiders, but Genesis is a good place for me to start. I've never played a top game, you know, like the Diablo style. Have I ever done an unboxing before? All right, how do you go get my Stadia controller? Everybody I use it. I promise. Okay, so here we go. Get that volume up. Where am I in this game? So look at the screen. So you say I'm not lying. Sorry, cameraman. I'm keeping that in. I'm keeping that in. Trips. So chapter 5. 8 hours I've done so far. So
Oh, you've been playing.
I have, but a lot of other games came out, so I didn't finish it yet. But I have been playing the game. Take a look. My creature cores don't have that many. Oh, I remember this because I died. That's why I'm back here. Okay.
Oh.
So I'm playing that Strife right now. Oh. Okay. Oh, mama. Okay. Watch this. Oh. Okay. Got him. Yes, baby. Okay, so as you see, I'm a pro professional player, and all the PC people, I'm just telling you, you get the Stadia, you're in the game. I ain't never gonna get a break. Well, that was it. Okay, bye.